If you're a contractor looking for an easy way to handle your tax filing, Deel is an incredible solution that can simplify the process significantly. In this video, we'll walk you through how to use Deel for contractor tax filing and everything you need to know to get started. Stick around until the end, because I'll be sharing how you can get access to Deel completely free through a special offer. Let's dive in. Deel is an all-in-one platform designed to make hiring and paying international contractors a breeze. Not only does it streamline the paperwork and payments, but it also offers tools that can help with tax filings. If you're a contractor working with Deel, it's essential to understand how to use their platform for your taxes. When it comes to filing taxes as a contractor, Deel provides an easy-to-navigate system that helps track your income and generates necessary tax forms like 1099s. Deel automatically sends these forms at the end of the year, so you don't have to worry about scrambling to find your earnings or figuring out what to report. This is a massive time saver, especially for those of us who prefer to focus on work rather than paperwork. Here's the process. Once you've been hired through Deel, the platform will generate your pay slips and it keeps track of your payments. Deel will also provide a tax summary for you at the end of the year, which makes tax filing a lot easier. This summary includes your total income and all the necessary tax forms you need for reporting to the IRS. For most contractors, Deel will automatically categorize your payments and prepare the necessary forms, such as the 1099 NEC form, based on the way you're paid. But it doesn't end there. Deel allows you to keep track of deductions too. If you're eligible for certain tax deductions, Deel lets you add these to your account. This way, you're fully prepared when tax season comes around. Now, for those who are new to Deel, signing up is simple. Create an account, connect your payment method, and start accepting contracts. Deel will track your payments automatically, so there's nothing you need to do besides focus on your work. All tax-related data will be available to you in a simple and easy-to-understand dashboard. In addition to the basics, Deel integrates with tools like QuickBooks and Xero. This can be especially helpful if you have an accountant or bookkeeper managing your taxes. The integration helps ensure all your income and tax-related information is synced across platforms, so nothing gets lost in the shuffle. But the best part is that Deel makes sure everything is tax compliant according to your country of residence. If you're working internationally, Deel ensures that your tax forms are in the right format for your home country, whether it's the US, Canada, or elsewhere. No more confusion about different tax laws or trying to figure out what you need to report. Now let's talk about something special. You can use Deel for free through the link in the description below. Yes, you heard that right. Sign up today and get access to Deel with a special extended free trial. With this exclusive offer, you'll get full access to Deel's features without any cost, so you can see for yourself how easy tax filing as a contractor can be. To summarize, Deel is a fantastic tool for contractors looking to streamline their tax filing process. It automatically tracks your earnings, generates necessary tax forms, and helps you keep track of deductions. Plus, with integrations to QuickBooks and Xero, you can easily sync your data with your accountant. Best of all, you can access Deel for free through the link below, with an extended trial that gives you full access to all of these features. So if you're ready to simplify your tax filing, make sure to grab your free trial from the link below. Don't miss out. Tax season just got a whole lot easier.